Good morning, my dear student. Today we will study Maths Class 9, Chapter 1, Number System, Exercise 1.1. Now, our question 2, find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Here we are getting two numbers, that is 3 and that is 4. We need to find out 6 rational number. How can we find it out? Suppose we have taken 3 number here. हमें कितना 6 रेशनल नंबर निकालने हैं, तो हमें क्या करना है, हम इसे 8 से मल्टीपल कर देंगे. जितने से मल्टीपल करते हैं उतने से डिवाइड करते हैं. मैथ्स का एक रूल है, जितने से मल्टीपल करेंगे उतने से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट नंबर है हमारे पास 4 को क्या करेंगे, 8 से मल्टीपल करेंगे तो 8 से डिवाइड करते हैं. इसे मल्टीपल करने के बाद 3 8 24 अपॉन 8. नाउ वी आर गेटिंग 4 8 32 अपॉन 8. Now 6 rational number here, 3 24 25 upon 8, 26 upon 8, 27 upon 8, 28 upon 8, 29 upon 8, 30 upon 8, 31 upon 8 and 32 upon 8. Here we are watching here two extreme number, that is 25 upon 8. This one is not extreme number. This one is 24 upon 8. Here we are watching two extreme numbers here, that is 24 upon 8 and 32 upon 8. So we will not count these numbers here. Now 6 rational number are equal to 25 upon 8, 26 upon 8, 27 upon 8, 28 upon 8, 29 upon 8, 30 upon 8, 31 upon 8. 6, this one you can write or not. Hope so that you are trying to understand these questions here. If you have any problems or any queries, please write to me. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. My dear student, thank you so much.